How to fix Space Marine 2 controller gamepad not working on your PC or on your computer right now. If you're playing this and you won't be able to control your gamepad, or if you're unable to do it, how you can simply solve it. Firstly, click the start button and search for the device manager application of your PC if you're using Windows 11 or HP PC as I'm using it right now. On the device manager, here there is a lot of option to check computer hard drives or any type of connected thing or connected accessory to your computer right now. Here I will go on the micro device and click on other devices as well. Here you can see HD complaint mouse, then click on the drive. This is the driver details, and now you have to click on update the driver of your mouse and simply update it to the HD, or search for update on official Windows update. You simply have to update the Windows version of your PC or on your computer, and then you will be able to see that your gamepad is now controlling or now connected successfully to your PC, and you will be able to play this game here right now without having any problem. Now the second step, you have to click on the setting, and then here you will be able to see that the Windows latest version is downloading right now and it will be installed. After that, I will again check playing the game, and that time I won't face any type of error like that. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel.